It's Friday, November 20th, and it's the last day of the World Fair. Here's what you can expect. At 10 a.m., one of my favorite people is going to be joining us. It's going to be the Briggs family from Collision Edge, that company out of Noonan, Georgia. They're going to be bringing in all of the Collision Edge products that you've seen us use throughout the week in the show when we're estimating, blueprinting, or finishing everything. We've got a Collision Edge product pretty much on us all the time. We're going to go through their complete product line and then talk about some of the new things they're bringing into the market to make collision repair, estimating, work, and getting paid easier for shops. At 2:30, we're going to wrap it all up with happy hour. So you definitely don't want to miss this show. We'll be going back over what happened during the week, or for both the weeks of the broadcast. People will be dropping in via Skype to join us with follow-ups on information and some feedback and things that had come up on your questions. And honestly, we just plan on having a good old time and wrapping up 10 days of free live training to the industry. You're not going to want to miss it. Now, it's going to be streaming to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, lots of different ways for you to watch it when you want and how you want to participate. Free, no registration required. But if you do miss any of the episodes, well, they're all going to be available on the Collision Hub YouTube channel for replay. Thanks.